So, students, in previous lecture we have discussed about errors in measurement. Means what is the definition of error? Then we have discussed that two types of error, positive error and negative error. Then we have discussed the removal of error. If in any measurement, if we find some error, what is the process to remove that error? So here we discussed estimation of error. Means किसी कैलकुलेशन में कोई एरर है तो हम उसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, कैसे हम उसको एस्टिमेट करेंगे. तो दिस इज बेसिकली वे ऑफ एस्टिमेशन और वे ऑफ कैलकुलेट द एरर. सो इन जनरल वी हैव थ्री मेथड. नंबर वन, absolute error. Means this is first type of estimation of error. Means we can. Second is relative error, and number three is percentage error. So one by one we have discussed all three. What is absolute error? So absolute error is, in journal, what we have discussed in journal definition of error, that is absolute error. Means measured value minus actual value. Basically, this is general definition of error. Measured value minus absolute actual value. We have discussed in previous lecture that there are two method of absolute error in some books. This is actual value minus measured value, but according to me, this is measured value minus actual value is more appropriate. That's why I am using this thing. So this is measured value minus actual value. This is what? This is absolute error. Now, second type is relative error. Actually, in absolute error, many times we misconcept by this absolute error. For example, suppose there are two persons, X person and Y person. There are two persons, X person and Y person, and X person is measuring a length of 10 meter and person Y is measuring length of 50 meter. Person X is measuring length of 10 meter, person Y is measuring length of 50 meter, and person X is making an error of 0.5. means the length measured by person X is 10.5 meter. So error is 0.5 meter. Here person Y, it is making an error of 1 meter. So here error is 1 meter. Which error is more? Obviously, this 1 meter is more. According to absolute error, person Y is making large error. But in general, which measurement is better? Without any calculation, we can say that this measurement is better. Why it is so? Because person Y is making a difference, an error of 1 meter, but this is in 50 meter. and this is 0.5 in 10 meters. So if we take it as per meter, means if person X is measuring 50 meter, how much it will make an error? This error become 2.5 meter. In 50 meter, the error become 2.5 meter. But in this case, error is 1 meter. So this measurement is better. If we take it as 0.5 upon 10, this is 0.05 meter per error per unit length. This is 0.5 meter error per unit length. Here 1 upon 50, that is 0.02 meter error per unit length. So this quantity is small. So when we correlate these two equations, when we correlate these two situations, what will we get? That measurement Y is better. So this is what we can calculate by relative error. So relative error, the formula of relative error is measured value minus actual value divided by actual value. Means if we, this is what? This is absolute error. So if we divide absolute error by actual value, then we get relative error, or we can say that when we correlate two measurements, when we compare two measurements, then we get relative error. So this is what? This is relative error, and this is more appropriate than absolute error. In absolute error, what happened? हमने absolute error में क्या बोल दिया कि यहाँ इसने 1 मीटर का error produce किया. That's mean this measurement is super. But in actual, what happened? This is much better measurement because it is making 0.02 meter per unit length. This is error of 0.02 meter, means 2 centimeter per unit. Here it is making error of 5 centimeter per unit length. So this measurement is better. Now third, percentage error. Percentage error is nothing but notation or representation of relative error in the form of percentage error. Means percentage error equal to measured value minus actual value divided by actual value into 100. Means if we represent this relative error in the form of percentage, then this is the representation of percentage error. So there are three ways to represent the error. First is absolute error. This is simple measured value minus actual value. Second, relative error means measured value minus actual value with the comparison of actual value. So this is measured value minus actual value divided by actual value. And third is percentage error. This is percentage representation of relative error, measured value minus actual value divided by actual value into 100. So there are three ways of estimation of error, or three ways to represent the error.